There has been a massive update for Googlebot, and guess what? Now you can use images just like this as prompts when you talk to the chatbot Googlebot. Let me show you. So for example, this image right here, so what's going on? It's beef stew, rice. So watch this. So go to Google, bot.google.com. You may have an update message, do that. And now what I'm gonna do is, as part of my prompt, I can also use images now. And this really makes Googlebot multimodal. So when you click here, you can upload different types of images. Right now, it accepts JPEG, PNG, WebP. It doesn't show PDF. Hopefully they'll add that in future and other formats as well. So I'm gonna add that picture, and then I'm gonna ask Googlebot, can you please tell me what's going on in this photo? Question mark. And now it's able to analyze that image, and it will tell me exactly what's happening in this image. So here you go. So photo you sent me shows a bowl of beef stew with rice and parsley. And actually, let me bring that photo back. That's exactly, look, that's exactly what's going on in this photo. So ChatGPT cannot do this, especially in the free version, but Googlebot, it's able to use images as part of your prompt. This is this amazing and biggest update, I think, from Google. But here's one more awesome thing. Not only it's able to detect this image, so watch, I can ask Googlebot to give me a full recipe of this. So can you give me the full recipe? If I can spell this right, probably not, but let me, of this, step by step. And now it will give me complete a recipe of this dish, and I can easily cook it. So here you go. Here's a full recipe of beef stew, ingredients, olive oil, everything. That's awesome. And then here are the instructions, and then there are different tips right here. Oh my god, this is amazing. And other kind of updates, I can also have it speak this to me, so I can click here and listen to the response. I can also thumbs up, thumbs down, and then here are some other options. I can make it shorter, longer, simpler, or play with these settings too. So this is changing the game of AI chatbot. Googlebot has really one-upped ChatGPT. I think ChatGPT really needs to respond and make it better. But for now, I am using Googlebot and using a lot of images as part of my prompts. It's able to detect what's happening in the image, and I can do so much cool stuff. If you have any questions about Googlebot or this recent update, let me know. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this. And now let's watch this next video together. Bye for now.